Picture this. It's the 1970s. A man named Kent Wheely receives a gift from his dying father-in-law. Seeds from two plants that man's father and mother brought over from Bavaria in the 1870s. As he plants them and watches them grow, he realizes that he has over a century's worth of family history right there in those little plants. But he also realized something troubling, that varieties like these are disappearing. Moments like that sparked the beginning of Seed Savers Exchange in Decorah, Iowa, and helped create the heirloom seed movement. I was in college at the time of the heirloom seed movement with Kent Wheely, and I read about it often. What causes people like him and me to become so passionate about saving heirloom seeds? Let's find out.
What makes a seed heirloom? At its most basic, an heirloom seed is a variety that's been passed down through generations. We're talking at least 50 years, though many are much older. These are open-pollinated plants, which means they reproduce naturally through pollination by insects, birds, wind, or even just by themselves. And here's the best part. When you save seeds from an heirloom plant, those seeds will grow into plants that are true to the parent. Same flavor, same characteristics, same reliable goodness. So why do gardeners get so excited about them? First up, flavor. Many heirlooms were selected over decades or even centuries for taste, not for shipping durability or shelf life. That Brandywine tomato, it's been grown since the 1880s because it tastes incredible, even though it would never survive being trucked across the country. Second, there's history in every seed. When you grow Cherokee purple tomatoes or scarlet runner beans, you're growing the same varieties that were cultivated by indigenous peoples or that sustained families through the Great Depression. You're literally growing a piece of living history, just like those seeds Kent received from his father-in-law. And third, diversity. Heirlooms come in an amazing range of colors, shapes, and flavors that you just won't find in most grocery stores. Purple carrots, striped tomatoes, beans in every color of the rainbow. Before we continue, please subscribe now and give a thumbs up to this video, especially if you love heirlooms. Here's where it gets practical. You can save seeds from heirlooms and grow them again next year. That means once you buy seeds, you can potentially grow that variety forever without buying more. Plus, over time, plants can adapt to your specific garden conditions, your soil, your climate, your microclimate. So are heirloom seeds worth trying? If you love great flavor, want to be part of preserving agricultural diversity, or just enjoy the idea of seed saving, absolutely. Just keep in mind that they sometimes need a bit more attention than modern hybrids. They might be less disease resistant or take longer to mature. But for many gardeners, including me, that trade-off is totally worth it, especially for the flavor.
So have you grown heirloom varieties? Please drop a comment with your favorites. I would love to know what's thriving in your garden and what I can make future heirloom videos about. Until next time, let's get growing. Heirlooms and history.